Hinduism is a big university. We have Shaivism, Vaishnavism, Shaktism. We have a galaxy of philosophies like Advaita, Vishishta Advaita, Dvaita, and so on. So to conform it to one particular principle like the Western religions is very tough. That said, Krishna says, Paritranaya sadgunam vinashaya cha dushkrita. It is not as if Hindus are always very passive. If there is a need, there is a threat to the religion, Hindus can always rise. Krishna used his Sudarshana Chakra, Shiva uses the Trishula, Kartikeya uses the spear, the veil. So to say that, we always prefer non-violence is wrong, because if there is a threat to religion, people will rise. And coming to the point, he did say that Hinduism teaches him to be very courageous. A person who's courageous will never seek bail in a National Herald case. And that said, he also says that Hinduism as a religion does not support hatred. Then, in that case, who were those people who were involved in the anti-Sikh riots? Were they Hindus? Weren't they people from his very own party who were convicted or were accused of? Yes. So is anti-Sikh riots a part of hatred or non-hatred? If he believes that there's no violence at all, then what about Operation Blue Star that was launched by Srimati Indira Gandhi in the very sacrosanct premises of the Amritsar temple? And first of all, he did address, even a person who has done basic knowledge and logical reasoning would undergo his statement where he says, people who call themselves Hindus. So he has absolved himself from calling him a Hindu, because rightfully, because three ways in which you can call yourself a Hindu. One, you should either be matriarchal. So you can call yourself you're a Hindu, either matriarchally you're a Hindu or patriarchally or by choice. His statements in the past and in the present clearly state that he has absolutely no knowledge of the scriptures, and it is better as a God-given opportunity. He has fought very hard to get the leader of the opposition status. He does raise pertinent issues and not get into things like religion and theology, which is not his cup of tea.
Yes.
And finally, I think they have scored 99 out of 543, not 99 out of 100. So I think
good point, Dushyant. I'll tell you. I have a couple of specific questions. I'll put the first one at Lokesh. Small replies will do. Lokesh, he says that those who call themselves Hindu are nafrat, hate, liars, hateful, violent people. Tell me one thing. Has he ever called the PFI violent? The PFI hateful? 1 minute. Please answer the question. Or you can pull out a statement. क्या कभी भी उन्होंने, हिंदी में कह रहा हूं दोस्तों, दोहरा रहा हूं सवाल, इस पे प्रमोद कृष्णन मुस्कुरा रहे क्योंकि सवाल बिल्कुल सीधा है. जो व्यक्ति कह रहे, जो लोग अपने आप को हिंदू कहते हैं, भाई मैं कह रहा हूं, मेरा नाम अर्णब गोस्वामी है और मैं हिंदू हूं, मैं हिंदू हूं और आप भी हिंदू हैं. शायद आप भूल गए मगर आप हिंदू हैं. सवाल मेरा ये है, मैं सवाल पूछ रहा हूं लोकेश जिंदल, क्या कभी भी राहुल गांधी ने कहा कि पॉपुलर फ्रंट ऑफ इंडिया नफरत फैलाती है? क्या इन्होंने कभी कहा कि इंडियन मुजाहिदीन नफरत फैलाती थी? क्या इन्होंने नहीं, मेरी बात सुनिए. जो ये कह रहे हैं ना कि जो अपने आप को हिंदू कहते हैं वो असत्य कहते हैं, क्या उन्होंने कभी कहा कि पॉपुलर फ्रंट ऑफ इंडिया असत्य फैलाती है? क्यों नहीं कहा? लोकेश जी पूछता है, भारत नेशन वांट्स टू नो व्हाई नो. 1 मिनट, लेट हिम रिप्लाई. क्या कभी कहा yes or no? 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 कहा कि नहीं कहा? Yes or no? Yes or no कहिए. Yes or no?
Can I answer?
Yes or no? Yes or no? PFI. Has Rahul Gandhi ever called the PFI hateful, violent and liars?
Can I answer?
Please answer. Red carpet चाहिए क्या? Answer.
Thank you. I'm honored that you are allowing me to answer. Arnab, there's a saying, little knowledge is a dangerous thing. What you are inferring is simply out of a selective statement.
Has Rahul Gandhi ever called PFI hateful?
No.
PFI के बारे में क्यों नहीं कहा? उनको PFI के बारे में क्यों? आप बोले PFI के बारे में क्यों नहीं कहा? क्या उनकी वोट बैंक कम हो जाएगी? उनकी वोट बैंक कम हो जाएगी क्या? इनकी वोट बैंक कम हो जाएगी क्या PFI पे बोलेंगे तो?
सब्र रखें.
मैं एक जो सवाल कर रहा हूं उसको आप इधर उधर लेफ्ट राइट अवॉइड कर रहे हैं. मैं हिंदू हूं, आपने कहा मैं नफरत फैलाता हूं. मैं हिंदू हूं, आपने कहा मैं असत्य फैलाता हूं. मैं अपने आप को हिंदू मानता हूं और आपके नेता ने कहा कि मैं हिंसा करता हूं. मैं पूछ रहा हूं, क्या भारत के नेता प्रतिपक्ष ये भी कहेंगे कि PFI नफरत फैलाती है? कहे के दिखाए.
कहे Rahul Gandhi
कहे.
that the very
Let him say that.
Congress, is inspired from the Abhay Mudra of Hindu religion. He says that the very Abhay Mudra that we see in Lord Shiva, the very Abhay
Pramod
Mudra that
Krishnan
we see
jawab
in
denge
Guru
iske.
Nanak, the very
Pramod and
Abhay
Dushyant,
Mudra
Pramod and
which
Dushyant.
condemns all form of violence,
laughable, you
which
know.
asks
It is
person
so
to shun
laughable.
away with all form of fear. It is symbolized
Using
in
Abhay
Congress
Mudra, showing-
symbol. So tell me, on what basis do you say that he is condemning Hinduism when
Oh,
he is official, when he is saying on record
Yes.
that the very symbol of Congress is inspired from Hindu ethos? The problem is your entire perception is distorted with.
I don't understand what
lot
you're
of
talking about.
hatred
I'll
and
tell you.
anger that you
I
have been
answer the question,
subjected to
please.
from so many years.
Answer a question, please, Lokesh, which you have avoided. Has Rahul Gandhi ever called the PFI violent, hateful, insightful? Has he ever said a negative thing about PFI?
Yes, whenever they have
PFI पे
indulged
क्या
into
कहा?
any
बताइए मुझे,
form of
उन्होंने
violence,
कभी
he
कहा?
has condemned it.
कब कहा?
Whenever he has
चलिए
indulged into
निकालिए,
violence,
चलिए
you
निकालिए
can
राहुल
check the
गांधी के
records.
PFI पे स्टेटमेंट निकाल के दिखाइए.
You can check the
PFI पे
records.
स्टेटमेंट
Whenever
निकाल के
they have
दिखाइए. गूगल कर
condemned
लीजिए.
into any form of
गूगल कर
violence.
लीजिए. गूगल
आप कर
इट.
लीजिए.
गूगल इट.
आप कर
गूगल
लीजिए.
इट.
आप बताइए
Google
मुझे कब
it,
उन्होंने
Google
नहीं
it,
कहा.
Google it
अगर
now.
वायलेंस किया
Google
हुआ
it
है,
now.
किसी भी प्रकार का
Google
violence
it
हुआ है,
now.
he has condemned it.
गूगल इट नाउ. गूगल करके दिखाइए.
You can also Google it.
गूगल
You
इट.
can
Why
look
should
at
I
it, look
Google
at
when I
it
know he's never
yourself.
said it?
You can
इन्होंने
look
कभी
at
नहीं
it
बोला. आप
yourself.
पीएफआई के बारे में कुछ नहीं कहा. मैं हिंदुओं के बारे में कह रहा हूं.
At all, नहीं.
Lokesh,
This is wrong.
Lokesh,
Arnab, this
by
is
the way,
very
by the way,
wrong.
Pramod
Because
Krishnan and Dushyant
the
Sridhar can tell you about
entire
Abhay Mudra.
speech, if you would have heard it,
By
without
the way,
any form
viewers,
of prejudice and bias, you will realize that he was indeed
Oh,
hailing
God.
the true spirit of Hinduism. He was
देखिए
hailing
भैया,
the true values of Hinduism.
मैं आपको बोलूं,
In
ये
fact,
पार्लियामेंट ऑफ
he
इंडिया
was
है.
the one
ये
who
पार्लियामेंट
was
ऑफ इंडिया
trying
है.
to say that
ये
please
पार्लियामेंट
stop
ऑफ इंडिया है. पार्लियामेंट ऑफ इंडिया
utilization
में
of
यू शुड बी
religion
सीरियस.